How to activate Saily eSIM on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. You need to start by heading over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, move into cellular. Tons of different options will be visible to you. At the bottom, you can see the option of Add eSIM. Click on it. Now wait for a while for it to load. Now you have to click on Use QR code. If you do not have the QR code, then click on Enter detail manually. In this page, you'll need to fill up some of the informations. First of all, enter your SMTP address, and then you'll receive the activation code. Enter the activation code and also enter the confirmation code. Once you've entered all the information, tap on Next at the top right corner. If needed, follow the on-screen process and then your Saily eSIM will be activated. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.